Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. It's the 8th match in round 3 and the scores are Glenmuir High on 20 and Munro College down to 25, having lost a point for the question, what is celebrated annually on July 4th in the USA? And the wrong answer came first, so the judges have taken away 1 point. But now let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you 1 step closer to winning this championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. And our first question is from Bible knowledge. Which prophet had a vision while among exiles by the Kabar River? Munro.
Ezekiel.
That's correct. Biology. What is the name of the peptide hormone that works to raise the concentration of glucose and fatty acids in the bloodstream? Glenmuir.
Glucagon.
Correct. English language. Spell vicissitude. Glenmuir.
Vicissitude.
That's incorrect. Vicissitude, which means a change of circumstances or fortune. International affairs. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Munro.
Recep Tayyip Erdogan.
Correct. President of Turkey. Chemistry. What is the unique arrangement of atoms, ions, or molecules in a crystalline liquid or solid called? Munro.
Lattice.
Correct. Music. Listen to the clip. Identify the artist. Glenmuir.
Coffee.
Correct. General knowledge. In Greek mythology, who was the god of the winds? Glenmuir.
Hermes.
Incorrect. And king of the mythical floating island of Aeolia? And the answer is Aeolus. Spanish. Translate the following sentence to English. Ella escucha música en la noche. Glenmuir.
She listens to music in the night.
Yes. And geography. What forms when a cold or warm front stops moving? Stationary front or quasi-stationary front. Theatre and cinema. Look at the following clip. Identify this actress. Munro.
Mandy Moore.
Correct. Information technology. What is the generic term that refers to a set of instructions or programs that tell the hardware, Munro?
Device driver.
No, tells the hardware what to do, software. History. In what year did Jamaica enter the Carifta Agreement? Glenmuir.
1968.
Correct. Mathematics. If 11 labourers take 8 hours to dig a hole, how long will it take 4 labourers? Glenmuir?
2.5 hours.
Incorrect. Will it take 4 labourers to dig the same size hole, working at the same rate, and that will be 22 hours. Physics. What is the turning effect of Munro?
Torque.
Correct. Or couple around some point called. Sports, a visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Glenmuir.
Chris Binney.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Your shake man hand. Munro.
But then shake him out.
Correct. French. What is the French term for the lunch? Munro.
Yes. Le déjeuner.
Correct. Literature. The character Edmund Talbot appears in which trilogy by William Golding? To the Ends of the Earth. Rites of Passage, Close Quarters, and Fire Down Below. Art. Francisco Goya was a romantic painter and printmaker. In which country? Munro.
Spain.
Yes, was he born? Bible knowledge. Who said these words? Till I die, I will not put away. Munro.
Job.
Correct. My integrity from me. Biology. What is the name of the peptide hormone and neuropeptide that plays a role in social bonding, sexual reproduction, and is required during and after childbirth? And that sounds like the final bell. The answer is oxytocin. But that's the end of the final challenge and, in fact, the end of our match. The scores are Glenmuir High on 24 points, Munro College moving ahead on to 41 points. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers' question. And the answer is Rod Stewart. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.